testing version 5.12.
I rule the app. It works as slow as possible. Everything takes forever, and nothing can get done.
Excuse me, sir, do you mind moving out of my way? Help, please!
Sorry, they don't listen to you anymore.
Where did he go? Well, never mind about the snail. Comics are working, no problems, edition after sharing, alright. The issue here is old, the numbers are not correct when you are looking at the previous button. There are more issues when you produce a video. The app might crash after importing several pictures. Props have not been corrected. Background music plays also in the first frame. Poor new elements to create your own characters. Extremely simple design. Could you tell what these expressions represent? I would risk to say that most old users would have preferred to have better expressions in our very old characters. Let me know what you prefer. Write it down in the comments. Reels or portrait mode. They work well, but you might experience crashes before exporting. You should kill the app, open it again, and export. Reels exporting time is longer than videos, and basically with the same issues. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching.